Okay, bear with me. I don't feel good. Let's go out the front door. Come on now, go easy, easy. Okay, stop. No, stop. So this is my yard. Wait, huh? And some lot of snow. A lot of freaking snow. Let's go around. So you can get some kind of idea how much snow. Oh, there's down the street. There's a lot of snow. Lots of snow. Oh, no. Come on this way. She's gonna poop right there. Great. I don't even care. That is a lot of snow. Okay, so here's the rest of our yard. And there's my little snowbankings. I was sledding down. That is a lot of snow. Yeah, that's 2015, the blizzard. Okay, bye-bye.